Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to install some TRD off-road style over-fenders. So the TRD off-road for the CHR was just released in Japan, only released in Japan. So we got some copies of the over-fenders to install on our USDM one. Alright, come on, let's unbox them out and I'll show you how they look like. Okay, so let's unbox this. So let's do it. It's a lot of tape. They taped this one out good. The whole box is covered in tape. I hope they're not damaged. Because it took longer for the shipping, they got lost somewhere. So there's the packaging. Yep. I'm gonna keep the box somewhere in here. Okay. Okay, so here they are. Nicely wrapped and packaged. So these are gonna be the TRD off-road style over fenders. So it should look like this. Okay, so let me show you this. So this is how they are so careful about. There's a wood in here to protect or to help protect the merchandise. So yep, so it runs all the way there. So throughout there's actually some wood in here. So well, kudos to them. Great packaging for sure. Okay, so this were really made, wow, really good quality plastic. So they even have the holes where you can use the factory screws to hold them in place. So yep, they're nice. I got the matte version. I'm planning to do something different on this one. I'm not sure if I'm gonna go through with this because they already look good. So probably I'm just gonna install them as is. Alright, come on, let's install this one out. Okay, so we're just gonna do an alcohol wipe down in here. So I use a lot. So the reason I'm doing this because I have ceramic wax on it. So even if you don't have one, if you have like regular wax, you still want to wipe it down to remove any oil contaminants in here so that the double-sided tape will actually stick. So make sure you wipe this too. Then just let it dry up and then work on the installation. Okay, so we're gonna install the over fender. So it's gonna be in here. So it has some holes on it, uh, which goes to the factory holes. So all you need is a 10 mil and something to remove the clips if I need to. So I'm gonna use a heat gun on this also, just to heat up the adhesive. I already wiped this one down. Uh, so let's try this one out first. Okay, so have to remove the bolt in here, or the screw, and we will remove the one over here. Okay, so let's work on that. So they will go here and on the other side. So alright, one moment. Okay, so I'm just gonna heat the adhesive or the 3M double-sided tape with a heat gun, of course. So one moment, be right back. Okay, so moment of truth. Let's install this. For sure I'll mess up. I ended up doing the adhesive tape. Make sure it's aligned. You can even see it. You can see the hole. Needs to be adjusted. So I'm gonna do this side first. Yeah, I can align the hole on this side. So I'm just gonna do this side first. Then work this side. Okay. So now I put this painter's tape in here just to hold the adhesive double-sided tape so I can pull them and properly stick it in there. And the end of it. There. Oops. Okay. That's what I'm afraid of. So I'm gonna end up loosening this one up a little bit. That's what I don't like to happen. So just do the same. That one went smooth. Apply pressure on it. Now leave the masking tape in there. This side is important.